A brand new log, opened by any finger. Hold the reader for a few seconds. Release when blue lights flashing. Now, put your first target finger on reader for a few times and roll success. Use your enrolled finger, hold and let blue light flash one time. When pink on means need verification by, use the first enrolled finger. When blue flashing, you can just add your second user by read few times. Hold and release until red flashing. When pink flashing, use your finger key get verified. Now, this lock just resetted, open by any finger.